Welcome to HW Aston Martin. My name is Stuart, and today we are presenting to you this 2016 on a 66 plate DB11 V12 coupe. This car has done just under 34,000 miles. It is a launch edition specification, and it's also one of the first 1,000 CEO sign-off cars. So a little bit of provenance for you there. This car is finished in Onyx black, and we just wanted to give you a bit of a rundown of some of the specification of this vehicle. So as a launch edition, there wasn't really a great deal that you could really do with a launch edition. It was pretty fixed because it was the first of a new range of cars for Aston, and they wanted to make sure that production stayed pretty simple. So hence why they did the launch edition product. But what we have is a bright finish front grille. We have the gloss black lower body package, so that was part of the launch edition. So the price was uplifted, and then a load of content was sort of standard on the vehicle. Being a V12, you got the vents across the bonnet, so all four of these, and on the outside here you had the satin chrome vanes on the outside vents. So again, part of that was part of that part was part of the launch edition spec. Moving you down the side of the vehicle, the other elements that you had V12 badging on the fender there. We also have the satin chrome side strake, the 10-spoke gloss black and diamond turned wheels. They were also a standard feature of a launch edition. So again, you'll see a lot of these 2016, 2017, maybe rolling into 18s with this sort of look, but mainly 16, 17 cars. We have red brake calipers behind. We also have the gloss black roof arches now, although you can't really see that on camera. This is a gloss black versus the body of the car, which is in Onyx black, as I say. We'll run you through the interior shortly. As you can probably see through the window there, it's a very pretty interior that we've got on this car. And then on the rear of the vehicle, we have the red rear lights. Again, the smoked rear lights didn't quite come in as early as this car is. It did come a bit later on in its life. We have the standard badging on the rear of the vehicle. We also have the chrome tail tips on the back with the gloss black lower body package on the back. This is a really nice dark exterior, light interior vehicle. Overall, this car, it is in nice condition. It has a few chips on the front, bearing in mind it has done just under 34,000 miles, but overall it's a really nice vehicle, and I think would find a nice home for somebody. Let's take a look on the interior. So welcome to the interior of this launch edition DB11. This has got a full ivory interior. So when DB11 was launched, you could have a monotone in a light colour. So we have a full ivory interior with a contrast black stitching, and that is everywhere. It's on your seats, on your quilting, on your contrasting on the bolsters, DB11 logo on the headrest, and then running up the centre of the dash and around the armrest here. So this car doesn't have the broguing. Whether or not that makes a difference to you, not too sure, but I think the seats look really pretty without it anyway, because you've got the perforation and the quilting. So it does have heated and cooled seats. We have a satin chrome jewellery package on the inside, so that matches your front grille and also your side strake on the car, as well as your tailpipes. And then we have your standard, or I guess sort of at that time, your DB11 technology. So you've got your satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth music. And as part of that launch specification, all the cars at that time came with the Bang & Olufsen stereo system on the inside. So you had a 1,000-watt audio system. We have an ivory headlining and an ivory carpet at the bottom. So a really, really nice light interior on this vehicle. But look, for further details of this car, do give us a call here at the showroom, or you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.